Okay, this is why I hate birds. They just crap all over the place. All over chairs. All over my furniture. Just everywhere. They're just, hate them. Hate them, hate them, hate them. I build a nest. So, I'm going to clean my patio off. And then I'm going to put some stuff on it. So I'll finish this video in a little bit. Okay. I forgot something, so. This is my new Karcher pressure washer. And then this little thing. So that's what I'm going to use to clean all this bird crap off. I'm going to pressure wash it, and then I'm going to use that little thing right there. So I'll do another video whenever I finish.